Welcome back to Auto Street, and today we're diving deep into something that isn't just a car, it's a statement. This is the 2026 Porsche 911 Carrera 4S, a legend reborn. And yes, it's better, faster, and sharper than ever. From the outside, you might think, another 911? But let's be real, this isn't just any 911. Porsche knows exactly what not to mess with. The silhouette? Still unmistakably 911, but look closer, sharper LED matrix headlights, slightly revised rear light bar, more aggressive air intakes, and subtle tweaks to the proportions that give it a more planted stance. Every curve, every vent, every detail is dialed in for purpose and performance. Under the rear deck lid, where all the magic lives, sits a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged flat-six engine. Porsche has refined it for 2026 with better thermal management and more efficient turbos. You're getting 450 horsepower and 405 pounds-ft of torque. But it's not just the numbers, it's how it delivers them. The throttle response is razor sharp, and the power comes on smooth, immediate, and relentless. And here's where it gets even better. This is the Carrera 4S. That means all-wheel drive. Whether you're carving up tight mountain roads or hammering it in the rain, the grip is next level. Porsche's AWD system isn't just about traction, it's about balance, confidence, and precision. The 0 to 60 time? Just under 3.4 seconds. Top speed? 190 miles per hour, but in classic Porsche fashion, it feels composed at any speed. The 8-speed PDK transmission is back, and it's as quick and intuitive as ever. Whether you're in auto mode, cruising through the city, or pulling manual shifts on a twisty back road, it never misses a beat. Every gear change is seamless, and the rev-matching downshifts make you feel like a pro even if you're not. Step inside, and Porsche shows once again why they're masters of blending tradition with tech. The driver-focused cockpit keeps the analog spirit alive, but it's now infused with digital refinement. There's a fully digital instrument cluster that still honors the iconic 5-dial layout, and the central touchscreen is crisp, responsive, and loaded with features. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, wireless charging, a premium Bose audio system, everything is here. But it's all integrated with that Porsche minimalism. The steering wheel is thick and perfectly weighted, with a drive mode selector that lets you toggle between normal, sport, sport plus, and individual modes. Each one recalibrates the throttle, suspension, and transmission to fit your vibe. And yes, the Sport Chrono package is available, and if you're serious about driving, it's a must-have. But let's talk driving feel. The 911 Carrera 4S isn't about brutal power. It's about connection. The way the steering communicates, the way the chassis rotates around you, the way the car talks to you, nothing feels artificial. Even with electric steering, Porsche keeps it engaging and alive. You always know what the front wheels are doing, and that gives you the confidence to push harder. Suspension-wise, Porsche Active Suspension Management PASM does an incredible job soaking up daily bumps while keeping the car flat through corners. Optional rear axle steering makes tight city driving a breeze and improves high-speed stability, fuel economy. It's not a Prius, but you're getting mid-20s on the highway, which is respectable for something this powerful, and thanks to its hybrid-ready platform, it's more future-proof than ever, even if it doesn't scream green at first glance. Let's be honest, Porsche could have just phoned it in, but they didn't. The 2026 Carrera 4S is a love letter to driving enthusiasts. It's modern without forgetting its roots. It's fast without being intimidating, and it's luxurious without losing focus. Is it expensive? Absolutely. But with a base price starting around $130,000, you're not just buying a car, you're buying into a legacy. And as always with Porsche, the options list is deep, maybe too deep. You can easily spec it north of $160,000 if you get carried away. But for those who want the ultimate daily sports car with real heritage, real usability, and real excitement, the 2026 Carrera 4S isn't just one of the best 911s ever made. It might just be one of the best cars on the road, period. This has been Auto Street. If you loved this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more deep dives, and let us know, would you daily the 2026 Carrera 4S, or are you saving up for the turbo? Until next time, stay fast, stay curious, and keep driving.